All right, well, you know what? You can use your lunch break to do more than eat. Dr. Viviana Coles with Houston Relationship Therapy is here with ways we can use it to strengthen our relationships. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah,
Now,
it's a different type of mindful eating.
for sure. You know, some people only have 30-minute lunch breaks. So
Right.
What all are we squeezing in here? What's the first thing we can do?
Well, maybe just once a week. This doesn't have to be something that you try to do every day.
Gotcha.
But I would love for you to try to plan a surprise, whether it's a little picnic that you take, just walk out of the lobby and into the nearest grassy area, but bring a lunch so that, of course, you can quickly make it in, make it out, make it back to work if you need to.
That sounds sweet. Well, what if you're pressed for time, though, and you can't really see them in person?
So that's when you can use your virtual platform to have a lunch date. And you can make it special by, like, if you want to dress up for it, or if you want to maybe even eat the same thing while you're away, so pack that lunch and do something virtually like that. But I mean, again, it's just an option for you to be able to bond and connect in a very short amount of time. Some people can't do date nights. Well, this is a lunch.
Yeah, and I love this next one because you say write love notes. I think that's so important.
Yeah, well, we used to do that maybe for our kids, or maybe our parents did that to us, and it was always like a nice little surprise to find a love note in your lunch, but then also just a nice text. I'm always talking to couples at Houston Relationship Therapy about how that they can connect during the day. And maybe a phone call is too much, maybe a Zoom meeting is like one more, but a little text just saying, hey, I hope you have a great lunch, missing you, running into a meeting, love you, bye.
Right, I mean, it just puts an instant smile on your face and just get you in a better mood immediately.
Yes, exactly.
All right, so what else can we keep in mind for these lunch dates?
Well, and I think that when it works and when it's not going to cause any havoc, do a little surprise. Stop by and say hi. Anytime you can bring flowers or dessert for the company.
Oh, that's always nice.
Yeah, add a little something, especially if it's a special occasion. But even when it's not, being able to just show up for your partner and say, hey, I have your favorite coffee. I know you're going to have a long day. I'm just popping in to give you a hug, give you a kiss, 3-second kiss. That's my deal. And enjoy your lunch.
That's so sweet. It's always the thought that counts. So
it is. It is. Make the most of it.
Yes. Well, thanks for the great advice.